Welcome back to AI with Lilly. Today we are ranking the top 5 AI image generators: Midjourney, ChatGPT Image Generation, Ideogram, Flux, and Leonardo AI. I will compare them on 3 things creators compare: realism, text rendering, and speed. By the end, you will know which tool to use for thumbnails, ads, product shots, social posts, and experiments. Let's start with number 5, Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is the creator-friendly option. It feels less like one model and more like a full design workspace. You can generate images, upscale them, edit them, train styles, and build a consistent look for a brand. For realism, Leonardo can produce strong results for fantasy art, characters, gaming assets, and marketing visuals. It gives you lots of control. For text rendering, Leonardo is improving, but I would not choose it first for posters with exact slogans or logos. For speed, it is first a node for everyday workflow, especially then you need many variations. Best for creators who want an all-in-one studio, not just a prompt box. Number 4 is Flux. Flux is a favorite among people who care about quality, prompt accuracy, and open model flexibility. The big strength of Flux is realism. It can create photos that feel crisp, detailed, and less plastic than older AI images. Skin lighting, fabrics, and small every moment's details can look convincing. Text rendering is decent, but it is still not my first choice for text-heavy designs. Speed depends on where you run it. On a powerful platform, Flux can be quick. Locally, it can be slower if your computer is not built for it. Best for advanced creators, developers, and realistic images with technical control. Number 3, Ideogram. Ideogram is the text champion. If your image needs readable words, this is the tool I would test first. Think short designs, posters, stickers, YouTube thumbnails, quotes, logos, and social graphics. Ideogram understands typography better than many competitors, and it is much more likely to spell the words you're asked for. For realism, Ideogram is good, but not always the most cinematic or photorealistic. It shines more when design, layout, and wording matter. For speed, it is quick and simple, which make it great for brainstorming concepts. Best for creators who need text inside the image and who hate fixing letters manually. Number 2, ChatGPT Image Generation. ChatGPT Image Generation is powerful because it is connected to conversation. You can describe an idea, then refine it naturally. Make the background cleaner, change the shirt color, add space for text, keep the same character, or turn it into a thumbnail. That makes it beginners friendly. For realism, ChatGPT can produce polished and believable image with clear lighting, camera angle, mood, and composition. For text rendering, it has become one of the stronger options, especially for sample things, labels, mockups, and graphics. It is not perfect, but the ability to revise through chat makes mistakes easier to correct. For speed, high-quality generation can take longer, but the workflow is efficient because prompting takes less work. Best for beginners, YouTubers, marketers, educators, and anyone who wants image creation plus editing instruction in one place. Number 1, Midjourney. Midjourney takes the top spot for visual beauty. It is the tool I would use then the final image needs to stop people from scrolling. Cinematic portraits, fashion editorials, fantasy words, product concepts, album covers, and dramatic thumbnails look amazing in Midjourney. For realism, Midjourney is excellent, especially with lighting, atmosphere, color, and artistic direction. It can make image feel premium immediately. The downside is that sometimes it adds style when you ask for something plain, so you may need to get it careful. For text rendering, Midjourney has improved, but it is not the safest choice for exact wording. If the words must be perfect, I would use Ideogram or ChatGPT first. For speed, Midjourney is strong once you know the workflow, but beginners may need time to learn parameters. Best for creators who want the most beautiful image possible and are willing to experiment. So here is a quick comparison. For realism, my ranking is Midjourney, Flux, ChatGPT, Leonardo AI, then Ideogram. For text rendering, my ranking is Ideogram, ChatGPT, Midjourney, Leonardo AI, then Flux, depending on the version. For speed and workflow, Ideogram for quick text designs, ChatGPT for kinder revision, Leonardo for bad creative work, Midjourney for polished art, and Flux for flexible power users. Remember, ranking can change and models update, but these strengths are a solid starting point for choosing the right tool today without wasting time or credits on the wrong writer. My final advice is this: do not ask which AI image generator is best. You ask, what am I making? For beautiful cinematic visuals, use Midjourney. For realistic control, try Flux. For text, use Ideogram. For guided editing, use ChatGPT. For a full creator workspace, use Leonardo AI. If this helped, subscribe to AI with Lilly for more sample AI tools, breakdowns, tutorials, and creator tips. Comment which image generator you use most, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!